18th of Feb. Mom and I just went out vintage shopping.
When we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can.
Good morning, everyone. So it's day 3 of the moving vlog. So we obviously already moved in and slept in the house last night. I literally slept at like 2 a.m. which I'm so dead. I woke up today at 9:30. I'll show you what I got up to. It's just a little bit of update. So this is my closet. So I already put that up. I did put up my coats and all that stuff. I do have a lot more clothes just down here. I'm gonna get a drawer and put them somewhere here so I can fit all the folded stuff. I just have my shoes here. I'm gonna put a little cabinet as well to put my shoes. And then my bathroom is somehow decent. So I'm gonna get rid of all my products there. I'm gonna get rid of that. Probably just get a plant and that's it. And maybe get a product holder just in the corner so it's not on the floor. This is situation for my actual bedroom. The lighting is so beautiful, and I just have the bed. I have all my books on the side. Today we're gonna be going to furnish a little bit more. I'm gonna get a bit more drawers just to put all my stuff in. Just kind of finalize everything in this room. Well, for my room, just to finalize my room. I'm gonna put a curtain just behind me. I have it already. I'll put that up later. Alright, look who joined me today. We have to do a couple of building furnitures, and he's gonna help me.
And by help, she means I'm gonna do everything.
And I'm gonna chill and watch him do it. Alright. No, that's the perfect spot.
So how do you do this? I don't remember.
This is in the middle.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So we're doing the curtains now. This is kind of not needed because I have blinds. But just, I like it.
The black washers. Oh my gosh, what happened?
I almost fell.
You thought that was like higher?
I don't know. So totally scratched the curtain idea. My rod is a bit too long. So we're gonna get that altered tomorrow hopefully and get the curtain up tomorrow. But now we're doing the lamps for my bedside. I'm so excited. Wanted to get the lamp online initially, which is really nice. And then I saw something similar just at Kmart and they're really cheap. So I'm getting him to, you know, fix it for me. It's actually the next night now. It's 8:43 p.m. and we can finally put my curtain because we got my rod shortened. Right. I need a ladder.
You catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling. Never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true.
Be careful.
You make me feel it's
You just need to actually get that across, and then it's never gonna move anymore after.
there was found apart. I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like.
Hi everyone, so it's another day. It's the 17th of Feb. I just got back home from work, but I bought something really exciting. So I have a mirror right here. I just got this. It looks like it's brass, and you got that decoration just right there. So pretty. Also, I'm gonna show you my console that I made yesterday. So nice here on the hallway. I just got it from Kmart. They were, I think, $49. They're so cheap, but it looks so beautiful. Yeah, I just put some decorations, and then I'm planning on putting the mirror on there. So I'll just take out some of these so I can make room for the mirror. This is so cute. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Do you like it? It's so pretty. And I got this to put all my random stuff in it. Not that, but you know, keys and all that stuff. But that looks so good. Hello everyone. I know my vlog is a little all over the place, but it's the next day. It's the 18th of Feb. Mom and I just went out vintage shopping, and we actually picked up some things. I'll show you what we grabbed. There's this amazing chair that Mom spotted, and it's pretty good price, I'd say. Look how beautiful that is. You see the detail and the color of the cushion. It's like a velvet cushion, and it has a brass paint over it. I also got the most beautiful footstool. I got this one from the vintage shop, and I think it just arrived. I'm so glad I could get my hands on this because I think it looked really good at the end of my bed. So what I had in mind was putting this footstool on this side. Gives a bit of character on the bed area. It is a little bit heavy, which is good. That means it's sturdy and it's good quality. I love it. I love the cushion, and I love how dark the wood is. So I got this throw from IKEA. Yeah, it's called Ivali, and this is the white color. They also have it in grey, but my mom got the grey and I got the white one. Yeah. And I also have my Dior coffee table book, which I want to put on the side. And I also got these candle holders from IKEA. It's called that. I think I want to do the small and the big one. So that's how it looks. That's what I had in mind for it. I think I'm gonna put a candle on those.
Close the door for your eyes. Give me an inch so
What do we think about the side table? I love the tones. It looks so good together. Just really in love with earth materials and earth tones at the moment. So yeah, I think I'm very close to finishing the room. It's got a couple of prints that I want to put up, and I still want to get a print. So I just did the olive European pillows just behind me. And I want to change my shades to almost like a sand color. You know, just to kind of ties everything together. But yeah, this is it for this moving vlog. It has been chaotic, but you know, that's what moving is like. I have so much fun, you know, styling my room and everything. But make sure you're subscribed and hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this moving vlog, and watch out for my room tour and I guess a little bit of the house tour as well. So I'll see you in the next one.
With you, the sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table cause you're my everything. I do